Hi, you are welcome to my channel of Smart Polish. Today in this section video I will discuss about how to draw the density function using R and how to plot the number of plot in a single plot area. So we'll discuss about these things. So let's follow my video. So suppose I'm taking an X, suppose it will be X. This is generating one sequence of from -3 to it will generate like up to +3. Okay, and length dot out is equal to, I'm giving 100, so it will generate 100 sequence. So if you want to see the X, so X will be like this. After that, what happened, and plot this X, and with normal distributions of X, so it will gives the answer of plot like this. This plot is really given. I'm cutting this plot. Suppose I run this program before, that's why it's look like this. So okay, so if you run these things, so you'll get the plot of like this. Okay, so only got the plot, and to clear this terminal you will press Ctrl L. Okay, and if you want to run this program again, so you can run it, no problem. So you can see it by zooming. This is the plot of your data. And what happened, there is one thing is happened with me, that fg I should have to change to c and v, because this one is not so good. So this paragraph font and color is not good, so it is gray color. I want to make it black color. After that, make the plot. Now it is become black. Okay, now see the looks, it is good to see the density functions of this plot. Okay, now in so for that, suppose you want to do something else on that density functions, like if you are making m pair m for mf row, actually it will divided your plotting area two row into two columns. Okay, I mean 2 by 2. You will run it. After that, what happened, I am generating another X, and this X will generate a sequence of number like mm, from it will be 2 number goes to suppose 10, and length dot out is 100. Suppose you want to generate 100 number, after it is capital X. Suppose y lim, the values of the y values will be c of 0 to 0 0.6, 0 to 0.6. Okay, done. After that, you will do one more thing. You will calculate the gamma functions, okay, for each and every cases. So plot, we'll take in the gamma functions. So capital X not b, this is the gamma functions equations. After that, you will make one thing, that you are giving x comma, you are giving mean values of this thing, it will be 2 to max values of this gamma will be 4. And after that, sorry, in the main, suppose I want to do, it is listen part, main, I want to do, it is the uniform and type. What type of graph it will be? Type is L. Okay, and y lim is equal to y lim, because I already discussed this y lim is the values. So plot it. So it will be plot in the one corner, and remaining three is till now, so we will plot them as well. So to plot them, just copy paste the second line. In the second line, you will do modifications only, that mean is 3 and sd equal to 1. Okay, mean is 3 and sd equal to 1, equal to 3 and sd equal to 1. So you'll plot it. So there is an unsigned argument sd is equal to 1. So x main 3 sd equal 1, and sorry, I should have to change the name as well. It is non, it is a normal, and type is L and y lim. So run with the programs. It is saying that sd equal to 1 is not relevant to that. Actually the problem is here. We are making the denormalization function, so denorm it will be okay. So sorry, did mistake it here. It will be here d denorm. If you calculate this one and denorm, okay. So x denorm x comma mean is equal to 3. Mean is 3 and here sd is 1. Now it is plotted, and for the third plot I want to plot another one which is exponential. So exponential dxp and x, and here we'll give the rate. What will be the rate? Rate is equal to 1 by 2 suppose. And main will be exponential. Exponential type it volume. Run it. It will be run at here, and last one will be gamma function d gamma. X and shape will be 2, rate is 1, shape is 2 comma rate is 1, and main will be gamma, sorry, gamma type 1s, and press it. So after successfully run all of these things, you will get a graph of like this. So take a bigger look and see it. So first one is the uniform function, second one is the normal function, third one is the exponential function, and the fourth one is the gamma functions. Hopefully you got this thing idea how it is working, and if you have a relevant comment, you can query, you can put the query in the comment section below. I will try to answer these questions. So meanwhile, I have a request to that, please subscribe, like my video, and follow this video for further our programming and language, how to plot the data and relevant the informations. So have a nice day. Bye.